Thank you for visiting. We're proud to show you this 2015 Acura RDX. On the driver's side we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat as well as memory seat, and traction control. Here's your dash. On this leather wrapped steering wheel we have your stereo sound system controls as well as your Bluetooth and your cruise control. In the center here we have a backup camera once you put it in reverse. And just below that we have your AM and FM radio as well as your satellite radio and CD player. You also have dual climate control. A little bit of storage in here with your USB auxiliary power outlet. Cup holders, driver and passenger heated seats. You have a little bit of storage right here that does come out. And a power outlet. In the glove box you have your manual and some extra storage space. Up top you have your garage door openers, a sunglass holder, and a moonroof. In the back we have your 18-inch all-season alloy wheels. Your backup camera right there. Decent size space, but if you do need more room, these seats do fold down. And just underneath you have your compact spare tire and jack. In the back you have decent sized legroom as well as a little bit of storage behind both seats, as well as in the center. You also have a center armrest with cup holders. Once again we have those 18-inch all-season alloy wheels. Up top you have your integrated turn signals. And coming to the front we have your daytime running lights and fog lights.